welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. Today I wanted to give you a super quick tutorial of how you're going to print labels using your MUNBYN label thermal printer. Now, MUNBYN is usually mostly known for their shipping labels. However, did you know that you can print 3x3 labels? Yes, you can. They're going to look like this. And I needed to do these for my business, and you can do the same. So let's take a look at this quick video with a few key tips along the way. So here we go. Okay, now I am in my Canva website in my account, and I want to make sure that you come all the way over here and you're going to click custom size. So the custom size for MUN labels is 3x3. So you want to make sure that it's 3x3. Once you have that, you're going to want to create your label. So I already did mine. Let's open this up. And there it is. I edited the font and I added some floral. And then when you're done, you're going to want to share, download, leave it at PNG, and you're going to want to download that. And it's gonna go right here, and then you want to add that to your photos. Once you add that to your photos, you're gonna want to open up your photos, and what you want to do is you want to drag it out to your desktop. That is the way that I print my labels. I do not print directly from my pictures. So here is the image on my desktop. I'm going to double click that, and it's gonna pop up a new window. And then what we're gonna do is let's check out our thermal printer by MUN in action. And once you hit print, you're gonna notice that your image here on the top left is very tiny. That is because I'm loving my new labels, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Bye. That we change that to 3x3. Once you do that, you're going to see your image now looks like it's 3x3 and it's ready to be printed. All you need to do is adjust your copies and hit print.